Hello there. It's been quite a while, huh? I'm Refight, aka Ayako, back to making a video about my new website called vgayako.me, which is a website for creating custom cards. If you've already followed me to other platforms, you already know about this, but if you only follow me to YouTube, this is probably your first time hearing about this website. So, if you're new here, I'm just gonna make a quick look out on how this website works, what you can do with it, what you cannot do with it right now. So, it's a website that just immediately enters your input, so I can write something random and you can see that it updates the name immediately, just like how MSE does. So it's really easy to use, but the thing is that the card image quality is the same quality you can get from Photoshop templates. Because I understand that some people don't like the Photoshop templates because it's time consuming, it could be hard to use for some people, or they just don't want to use Photoshop at all, even though we have like alternatives like Photopea, right? But I can understand those people, so I made this so that people can still enjoy high quality custom cards while still making it easy for people, right? So let's see what this website can do. Of course, it can card name, ability, and power shield raise are all inputable, so you can do any numbers as you want to. And it also has icons, so if I write auto in all caps, you can see that it changed to auto immediately. I can also do VC, and then pause, bracket, CB1, and any type of stuff. To see what you can do, you can click on keywords on the bottom of the website and you would see a page, a model on what you can do, what you cannot do. These are all the icons that exist in the website right now. Also make sure to follow how to write them. For example, if I want to make once per turn, I need to /turn with a capital T because it's case sensitive. If I use a lowercase t, it will not appear as an icon, it will just be text. So make sure to follow this strictly. And otherwise, everything else is like choosable. It's a like choice option. You can do normal, trigger, G unit, normal order, blitz order, and set order. And you can also do encounters, which is only supported for normal units and G units right now because there is no other encounters yet, right? And you can also do dual nation. If you click on dual nation, of course it's gonna be two nations you can select. As you can see, it's Dragon Empire, Dragon Empire. The web might take a bit too low because there's a lot of compiling going on. So if you have a slow computer, it might affect you a bit, but it shouldn't be that bad. Otherwise, everything is self-explanatory. Unfortunately for critical, you can only do 0, 1, 2, you cannot go like 3 or some random number higher than this, but it should not affect you too much there. We also have 0 to 11 with 3, 4, 10 and 11. That is the grades higher than 3, you know? I have still some features that I haven't worked it. It's just flavor, elast, and set. Those will be done later. I'm having finals right now, so yeah, let me finish my finals first and I'm gonna do these features as soon as possible. Okay, let's say you are done with all these options. You want to have an image, of course, because having a blank card looks boring. So you can just click on upload image and then upload your own image, which could be JPG, PNG, whatever, just an image file. And if you click on upload, and there you go, we have an image filling the whole card. You can, if you're on PC, you can also click and drag the image. You can also use the scroll wheel to zoom in, zoom out. However, I don't recommend zooming in too much because if you zoom in, let's say I zoom in like around this, when you click export, it's gonna bug out. It's still a bug that I cannot solve. I'm not sure why it happens. So make sure not to zoom in too much, because if you zoom in like this, it's gonna zoom in like this, which is, wow, you see nothing right here, right? So make sure to not zoom too much. And once you're done with the card, you can just click on export main. If export main has some problems for you, you can also try alternate export. But if both doesn't work, you can report it to me, to Twitter or Discord. Both are IACO. In my Twitter, it's called like Refied, right? Like my channel. But otherwise, it's just IACO. And now when you click on export, it's gonna say enter the file name, just do any name you want. And it's gonna take around 5 to 10 seconds to export because it's gonna need to compile a lot of stuff. So take a while to wait, and any second now. Okay, there we go. My computer is a bit slow. I need a new PC. Okay, once you're done, you can click on the new looking card you just made. And if you zoom in, you can see that the custom card quality will be really high. So let's take a look and look at this. So it's the same quality you get from Photoshop templates. And should be better than SMD a lot, right? Okay, let's look at some other features this website can do. We have save and load. One thing that people hate about Photoshop templates is that the file size is huge. And yeah, opening and closing the file also takes a really long time. So that's why some people prefer MSE. This is to make save and loading quicker. So if you click on save, it will save everything you input here. And you can just click on load to load those stuff. It's saved as a file, by the way, so you need to have that file on your computer, of course. One thing to note is that save and load doesn't save the image, so you're gonna need to upload the image again, but it's only a few clicks away, so it shouldn't be too much of a work for you, right? Okay, then we have custom preset. So let's say I don't want this nation, the default nations, right? I hate Bushiroad, I want to make my own nation. It's a joke, by the way. So you can just click on custom preset and upload in your own PNG. So, or image file, of course. And once you do, it's gonna change the border to the PNG you upload, right? Make sure that the file is like... So I'm gonna show you the file real quick. And here it goes. Okay. So you can see that the file is just a blank border card with no numbers, just text. Right? You can see that it has the nation, but it has no input at all. And it also has a great icon. So, of course, unfortunately, you can only do presets to Photoshop template, right? I have a lightweight Photoshop template that you can use, which only contains a blank template like this, so it's quicker to load. It doesn't have any 2000 layers, of course, because what made the Photoshop template slow is that it has so much layers because it needs to contain the ability text too. So you can make your own nation real quick with the lightweight template. I would put it in the description. Once you're done with your presets, you can just click custom preset and upload it. As you can see, it changed my preset. One thing to note is if you accidentally change your nation after you upload your preset, it's gonna delete your preset. So make sure to upload your custom preset again if you accidentally do that. And lastly, we have CCU Export. So if you don't know CCU is a third-party program made by Robin, which is my friend, which is a program to upload custom cards to CFA. Because usually when you play custom cards, you probably think of Untap, right? Because Untap is so easy to add cards. But one thing that really sucks is that it's Untap, it's manual. You literally need to write cards by your own, do everything by your own, which could be annoying. So that's why some people prefer to play on CFA. But adding cards to CFA is no easy task either. So we have CCU to help make cards grouped in a package, and once you finish a package, you send it to CCU. CCU will automatically upload that card package into your CFA, making a modded CFA version, which is helpful. But the problem is that you need to write your own text, which is really annoying if you don't know how to code, how to do the syntax. So I write this website to be able to download text files too. So I'm gonna show you this one real quick. This is how a text file, text for a card looks like. So you need to usually write this for all your custom cards. But if you make a card through my website and you click CCU Export, it will automatically does this for you, which should be helpful, should be easy to use. It also downloads an image that is be used for CFA, because CFA will have two different card sizes, and so these are the two size image you can use for CFA. It's gonna be the N, and then it's gonna be the N mini. The number is the one you put it because CFA have card IDs. So make sure to note which card ID we need to use. If you're unsure, you can come to our Discord CCU. I'm also gonna put it in the description, so you can go check what's that ID card status right now. And that's it for my custom card website. There's more there's a little bit I want to show you. There's also a branch which is CCU. What's different from this is just that it's not for making custom cards. It's just so you already have a custom card from Photoshop or MSE, and you want to quickly write text. You can do it on this website too. So this one will just resize your image and make the text file for you. But it shouldn't be too important if you don't use CCU. And that's it about the website. One thing I want to request is I'm having a donation open up right now. So currently, card, if you use it, it's my Discord bot, right? For searching card 5 Vanguard cards on Discord. The server just got increased the rent from it got increased to $20 a month. So I'm having a bit of trouble paying it. Of course, I do work overtime outside my college studies, but I'd rather save the money for my own hobbies and other stuff. I need to buy a new PC soon, and also that I need to buy my own cards, right? I play Vanguard too, you know? So yeah, I'm having a goal set to $400 right now, which is a lot, right? But it covers to 2024 to 2025, and I don't expect one-off donations. Like big one-off that pays $400 for me, nah. I just expecting like $1, $5, but a lot of people giving me a little bit of money will help reach me this goal eventually, right? So yeah, if you have a bit of money to spare, please consider donating a bit to me. If you enjoy, of course, my service, both the website and the Discord bot. And that's it for today's video. I'm gonna go quickly have some final exams in a few days, and I will probably make some more videos after my finals. I have been absent for a year on YouTube, although I'm always active on Twitter. I just haven't the time to make videos for YouTube. So hopefully after finals I will be able to make some more videos. And that's it for this video. See you in another video. Good luck, have fun custom card making.